Aerosia, bridging towards success.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the limelight of this event here, which is the ribbon cutting ceremony. And with that, we'd like to have Yang Berbahagia Datuk Dr. Suhaimi Ibrahim, Chairman of Aerosia Holdings Sdn Bhd and Yayasan Belia Malaysia. Shall we give a round of big applause for Yang Berbahagia Datuk Dr. And also Datuk Dave Kok, Managing Director of Aerosia Holdings Sdn Bhd. Big applause as well, ladies and gentlemen. Together with Mr. Ong Chi Pui, Director of Aeromek Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Round of big applause as well to Mr. Ong. And witnessed by all of our VIPs, our special guests. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's use the golden scissors and cut ribbon. Yes, with the great collaboration between Aerosia and Aeromek, we foresee the important thing is as we would like to play you the Aerosia corporate video. Please enjoy the video.
Aerosia Holdings Sdn Bhd has been established as a business solution company that specializes in providing a wide spectrum of market information and solutions. We are providing 5 main services to our clients and investors, namely, business advisory and consultation, where we provide assistance and advice to our current and future business prospect of our clients with the aim of advancing their business or company. Business financing. We provide assistance for our clients with their economic activity, investment valuation as well as funding strategies. Project liaison. We are able to assist different organizations to work together and providing information to each other in order to enhance their turnover. Total business turnkey solution. We assist in the planning and execution of business strategies for an organization to start making profit. Business investment, where we assist our clients by creating a capital for their business to secure their return of investment. Aerosia Holdings Sdn Bhd is involved in various types of industries such as aerospace, chemicals, automotive, and education. Through these developments, Aerosia Holding has collaborated with several major players in their related industry to form a stronger business platform as well as sustainable company development that ensure growth and expansion of the company. Aerospace development. with the Malaysian Investment Development Authority, or MIDA, promoting the aerospace industry in Malaysia as a key factor in economic growth, as well as the aspiration in becoming an important aerospace hub, Aerosia Holding and its collaboration partner, Aeromek Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, has decided to venture and invest into Malaysia's aerospace industry. Aeromek Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is a company that is involved with manufacturing aerospace components, including precision aircraft wing structures and parts, and special services treatment process. With their state-of-the-art equipment for sheet metal fabrication, it meets the necessary attributes for the demands by leading aerospace clients. In the aerospace industry, where Aerosia Holding is involved with Aeromek Manufacturing, we foresee the opportunity in its technological advances and understand that it is a key sector in the global economy which also provides innovative developments. Aerosia Holding supports the growth and advancement of the industry in terms of financing the expansion of the manufacturing facilities and workforces in Aeromek Manufacturing, Great Wall Motors, and Go Automobile Manufacturing. Go Auto has started a Tier 0 supplier program. Through the program developed by Go Auto, Aerosia Holding sees the opportunity to venture in a different industry, which is automotive chemical supply. Aerosia Holding knows with its involvement in Go Auto, it will not only be contributing towards the development of GWM market, but also being one of the contributors to Malaysia's economic growth. Great Wall Motor Company Limited is China's largest SUV and pickup manufacturer. They have recently expanded to Malaysia to assemble energy-efficient vehicles, or EEV, with a collaboration of Go Automobile Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, or Go Auto. This has given Go Auto the exclusive rights to manufacture as well as distribute GWM vehicles. With the collaboration of both parties, their aim is to make Malaysia the mass volume vehicles and contract assembler for low volume vehicles which will be distributed across the domestic and ASEAN markets. The new plant in Gurun Kedah spans 5.2 hectares with a total investment of 2 billion ringgit by 2018, which will boost its production from 25,000 units to 100,000 units annually. KTM Crossbow Asia Club. KTM is an Austrian company that was established in year 1953. It is an international, remarkable motorcycle manufacturer brand. Motor Nation Sdn Bhd is the importer for the KTM Crossbow, and Aerosia Holding has been appointed as the distributor for KTM Crossbow. Moreover, Aerosia Holding is also appointed as the authorized organizer in Asia for the Crossbow Battle Asia, in creating awareness for the brand. Crossbow Battle is a racing event that started off in Europe for crossbow owners to test the ability of the vehicles on the racetrack. Aerosia Holding will be bringing the idea to Asia. The race will be conducted across Asia, starting with Malaysia, Thailand, China, Japan, and back to Malaysia for the finale. Through motorsport events, Aerosia believes that it would generate more excitement for the people in Asia due to the uniqueness while maintaining the exclusiveness of the vehicle. Gino Institute. February 1967 in central Japan, the Gino Institute was founded specifically for the purpose of creating and educating specialists in the automobile, aerospace, and medical fields with the motto, "We take pride in building great people, not just great technicians." The Gino Institute has the following 3 schools of learning: Gifu University of Medical Science, Nakanihon Automotive College, and College of Nakanippon Aviation. With the current shortage of skilled technicians in Malaysia, Aerosia Holding grabs the opportunity to collaborate with Gino Institute in providing greater technicians in Malaysia. As Aerosia Holding is involved in the aerospace industry and automotive industry, the use of skilled technician graduating from Gino Institute would be a bonus for the company. Aerosia Holding would be able to provide job opportunity once they have completed their studies. This would ensure growth and expansion of Aerosia Holding Sdn Bhd. In Aerosia Holding, We are committed to develop a well-sustainable business portfolio for all stakeholders and continue to provide the best financial returns through performance and justification. We want to be the leading business solution platform in providing sustainable business portfolio towards the organization, business partners, clients, and investors. Aerosia, bridging towards success.